Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on DOOGEE Fire 7. So first, check the cable for any damage and compatibility with your phone. Then take your phone and on the bottom here it is the charging port. You can clean it with non-metallic tools, so a wooden sticks, Q-tips or compressed air will do the job. You can test with another fast charger or outlet and test your charger with another phone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.